database. So array was able to store the database for some time temporarily, whereas the file it stores the database permanently. Okay. So our program now it will communicate with the user as well as with the file. We have already seen the functions related to file operations. Okay, so we will be using those functions for adding the records into the file, then displaying, searching, modify, delete all these database operations. Okay, so first of all, we should be able to create the database. See, this is the main function where a file pointer is declared. Okay, file is in capital, pointer is declared, and this is the menu which is similar to previous assignment, and we are just calling insert and passing that file pointer, nothing else. Okay, so everywhere we are passing that file pointer. Now, so what we will do in every function, we will open the file in the required mode, do the operation on it, and then we will close that file. Okay, so that will be our strategy. Now, struct student, this is the structure declared. Now you have to create the employee database. So you can identify the parameters of employee like employee ID, name, salary, etc. Designation. Okay, identify any 3 4 parameters, important parameters. Out of that, one will be your key, like employee ID, okay, which will not be repeated for any other employee. So first step is to write the structure. Okay, then this is the first function in inserting the records into the file. So if we call this function multiple times, our file will have multiple records. Okay. So in insertion, we will open the file in the append mode because insertion of the record will be done at the end of the file. Okay. So fp is equal to f open. We have seen the syntax. First parameter is the file name and second parameter is the required mode of the file. Okay. So here we will open in append mode so that file pointer will point to the end. Okay, and there we can write the new record. Then we are checking for the errors. If fp is null, display that file cannot be opened. Otherwise, and return. If the return is not happening, okay. So file pointer में अगर error है तो no need of doing any other task. We will return from here only. But यहाँ से return नहीं हुआ तो ये control यहाँ पे आएगा. And what we are doing in the do while loop, we are asking the user for entering the parameters for a student structure. Okay, so struct student s, and so here you will take the employee data from the user. We are accepting here name, roll number, marks, etc. And we are using the fwrite function to write the record into the file. Okay, so fwrite complete that structure variable will be returned into the file. Okay, here we are writing block of memory into the file s, which is already created, that we are writing here. So fwrite ampersand s, size of s 1 fp. All of us know these parameters. We have seen fwrite syntax in detail. Okay, so fwrite, using fwrite we have written that record into the file, and we are asking whether we do you want any other record to be inserted. Okay, if yes, it will go ahead, otherwise it will stop. Okay, and f close fp. Don't forget to close the file. Otherwise, the changes which you are doing, they cannot be reflected. Okay, sometimes they will not be reflected into the file. Right? So first of all, you have to start with f open, you have to end with f close, and in between you are doing the changes. So whatever record you are reading from the user, that you are writing at the end of the file. Why end of the file? Because we have opened in the append mode, so the file pointer fp is automatically pointing the last position. Okay, so at that position the record will be written. Clear? Any doubt here in the insert function? Any doubt in the insert function? The next is displaying record. So for display we will open the file in which mode?
Read mode.
Read mode. Yes. So in display again open the same file student.txt in the read mode. Again we are checking for the error. If there is no error, we have seen this while loop, while freed. Okay, so that means until the freed function is able to read the record of size s, it will read that record and store in this variable s. Okay, we have declared variable s here, struct student s. So it will store those details in variable x, and we will display the details of that particular student. And this I is counting the record number. Okay, so I is initially 0. When we are able to find any record, we are incrementing this I. So we are counting the records. And so we are displaying all the details of the records present. As we have opened in the read mode, the file pointer automatically points the beginning of the file. So we start reading from the first record. Okay, and all the records will be displayed, and this loop will be closed when fread is unable to read further. Okay, that is we have reached the end, and then we will close the file. Okay, okay. So this is display function. We will run the program and check whether it is working properly. I'll share the screen. So this is the menu. Enter name. Okay, I'll enter the name. Then now display. It is showing many records because previously I have executed this program. So there are certain records which are already present in the file. Okay, and one more record is added. This fifth record is added currently, recently. Okay, so all these records are already present. Then uh, so accept display clearer, insert record and display. Any doubt in this?
Ma'am, in the terminal,
Hmm.
the execution window,
Hmm.
it asked whether you want to add a record or not, but
Hmm.
didn't accept your input, I guess.
Yes, actually I should have your space, as I told you. When we
Buffer
are
memory, yes, ma'am.
yes, it should clear the buffer. Okay, that's why. Any other doubt? Okay, then in search function, searching again is according to the uh, linear search. We are following here linear search algorithm. So we will open the file in the read mode again because we will start comparing the key from the first record itself. Okay. So read file is opened in the read mode, and we are accepting here key. with which we have to compare the roll number of every record. Okay, key is getting accepted, then we are starting reading the record. So this S is our current record, and we are comparing S dot roll number with N, that is key. Okay, so here we are again following the linear search algorithm. We are visiting each and every record and comparing the key with the roll number of that particular record. If the key is matching, then we will display all the details of that particular uh, student. Otherwise, we will just go to the next record by incrementing the number of records. This is not required. I plus plus is not required, because see here I am displaying here the record location. That's why I is getting incremented. If you want to display the position, okay, so we are manually finding the position of that particular record. Okay, so I is initially 0, and every time when we are reading a record, we are incrementing the I. Okay, that's why it is displaying the position. Yeah, and uh, so if it is found, you can here make the flag. You make the use of flag also. Okay, search flag if it is initially 0, and if found, you can make it 1. Okay, so if that flag remains 0 only after this, that means record is not found. Or when the record is found, you can directly return from there. Okay, so if control comes here, that means record is not found, like that. Okay, anyway it will be searching function is clear.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
if it returns from within the if condition,
Hmm.
what will close the file?
Yes, you have to close the file and then return. Good. Here also you have to close the file and then return. Any other thing? Other modification? In modification also the similar thing will happen. Searching will be done in the same way. Okay, so this part will be same in modification also, and whenever match is found, okay, see if you are getting the location from the search function. If we are finding here location number position, so you can return that position also, that the record is present at this position. Okay, and that can be used in the fseek function to reach to that particular record directly. Okay, using fseek function we can reach to that particular record directly. That can happen. Okay, if you don't want to repeat this part again in the modify function, you can do like that. You can call search function, get the position, and then go ahead. Okay, that is one of the option. Otherwise you have to repeat this. In modify also same syntax will be there till this point, comparison, and then you can take the new parameters of that particular record. Okay, so after reading those parameters, we are using fseek here also. Why? Because see, we have found the record at suppose position 5, and my pointer automatically goes after fread, automatically that fp pointer will be incremented to next position, the sixth record. Okay, so I have to bring that pointer back and then do the modification of fifth record itself. Okay, that's why fseek is done. From current position we are moving one record back. Okay, so -1 into size of s. Okay, so this will move my file pointer one record back, and then I am writing the new record, the changes, modified record here. Okay, after getting the new parameters in s, I am writing that new record at that position. Okay, so fseek is required here also. If you are counting the position, you can use the fseek to move to that record directly. Okay, and you can do the modification that way also. It is good. Okay, so fseek is required to move the point of one record back, and then we are writing the modified record at that position. Okay, and here the use of flag is done. So flag is initially 0, and after what's flag will be 1. If flag is 0, you can display the record not found and close the file. Okay, or you can return from here itself after closing the file. Okay, modify
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am, why did we use the why did we have to move one step back when we are only printing I plus one and not I plus plus?
See, we are not just printing is not our problem. Our problem is when we are reading a record. Okay, मुझे अगर फिफ्थ रिकॉर्ड पे वो रोल नंबर मिल गया जो मुझे चाहिए, जो मुझे मॉडिफाई करना है रिकॉर्ड. ओके, सो माय पॉइंटर इज ऑटोमेटिकली मूविंग टू सिक्स्थ रिकॉर्ड. यहाँ पे हम पॉइंटर नहीं मूव कर रहे ना, हम नहीं मूव कर रहे. ऑटोमेटिकली द फाइल पॉइंटर मूव्स टू द नेक्स्ट रिकॉर्ड. ओके, दैट इज सिक्स्थ रिकॉर्ड. इवन इफ आई डोंट डिस्प्ले इट हियर, मैं काउंट ही नहीं करूंगी पोजीशन, दैट इज आल्सो ओके. मैं कुछ भी नहीं करूंगी, दैट इज आल्सो ओके, बट दिस विल वर्क because this is not required. This I is only just for displaying the record number, but I'm not using it to access that record directly. Okay, so मैं जब read कर रही हूँ record, automatically my file pointer is moved to the next position which I have to bring back, क्योंकि मुझे जो overwrite करना है वो fifth record है. It is not the sixth record. अगर मैं वो पीछे नहीं लाऊंगी फाइल पॉइंटर तो मेरा सिक्स्थ रिकॉर्ड मॉडिफाई हो जाएगा, फिफ्थ वैसे का वैसे ही रहेगा. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Yes, that's why I am moving the file pointer one position back and then writing the record at that position. Okay. And in deletion function, here again you can have physical or logical deletion. Okay. So mostly logical deletion is preferred, but I will tell the logic of physical deletion also. So in logical deletion, we are going to use flag. Isn't it? Deletion flag, which is by default 0. So when we are adding the record, by default we will say flag equal to 0 and then we will add that record. So s dot flag equal to 0 करेंगे. We will have one more parameter here, int flag. Okay, that s dot flag will be 0 initially, and while displaying we will check here one more condition. We will add the condition if flag is 0, then only display it. In searching also, if flag is 0, then only we will consider it in searching. Like that, we will modify each and every part of the program. In modification also, we will consider only if that record is present. The flag is 0, then only we will consider it. Okay. So that is logical deletion, which you can perform. Now you know how to perform the logical deletion. Just you have to make the flag as 1 and write that record again. So the syntax will be, or logic will be similar to modify function only. But instead of modifying other parameters, we will manually modify the flag value to 1 and write that record again at that position. Okay? So that is logical deletion. And in physical deletion, what we will do? See, here it is not possible or it is not feasible to shift the record in the file. जैसे array में हम क्या करते थे, record मिल गया तो we were shifting the other records which are present after that one position back. Okay, so that we were doing in the loop. We were shifting the records one position back and reducing the total number of records by 1 in the physical deletion. But here in the file it will be very difficult to shift the records. So instead of that, what we will do, we will open the file in read mode, and we will take help of another temp file which will be open in the write mode. Okay, so we will have two files. This is our data file, and another file temp.txt will be taken, and those record which we want, we will shift those in temp.txt, and जो record हमको नहीं चाहिए, जो delete करना है, that we will not copy. Okay, so we will read the records from the source file, and if the match is found, जो record हमको delete करना है वो अगर मिल गया, तो we are making so here it is logical deletion. Flag is 1 and then we are writing it again. But in the physical deletion, what will happen? You have to shift those records to the temp file. जो records आपको delete करने हैं, okay, only that you have to keep. Other records you have to shift. Okay, so see here, in it is using fwrite to copy that record. अगर मिल गया वो record, तो you will display the details of that. Make flag is 1 and fwrite that record into the fs file fs. Okay, write the record into file fs. Okay, जो मैच हुआ है वो नहीं लिखा, except that all the other records are written into the temp file. And then we are removing the original data file and renaming that temp file will be renamed as student.txt. Okay, so temp file में एक record कम है जो हमको delete करना है, that we have not copied in the temp file, and the temp file will be renamed as our data file student.txt. Okay, so there are functions remove and rename which we can use. So this remove is done on the our previous data file that is removed, and our temp file is uh, renamed as student.txt. Okay, this is the logic for physical deletion, permanent deletion. But in logical deletion, you will be just making the flag as 1 and you will write that at the same position. Okay, if seek use करके again go to one record back and write that record with flag as 1 into the file. Okay, so that record will be present there. Fine. Any doubt?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please can you repeat physical deletion again?
Yes. Yes. In physical deletion, what we want to have यहाँ पे अभी shifting is not feasible. That's why what we are doing, we are taking the help of the temp file. Okay, a temporary file which is opened in the write mode. So हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ये हमारे डेटा फाइल में से all the records except the one which we want to delete, okay, वो छोड़ के सारे records shift कर रहे हैं temp में. Okay, कॉपी कर रहे हैं एज इट इज टेम्प पे, यहाँ से रीड कर रहे हैं एफपी में से एंड एफएस में राइट कर रहे हैं वो रिकॉर्ड एक्सेप्ट द वन विच वी वांट टू डिलीट. सो ये हमको डिलीट करना है जो हमारे की के साथ मैच हो रहा है वो, दैट वी हैव नॉट कॉपीड इनटू द टेम्प फाइल. बाकी सारे रिकॉर्ड्स हमने टेम्प फाइल में कॉपी कर लिए. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव रिमूव्ड द प्रीवियस डेटा फाइल, वो हमने डिलीट कर दिया प्रीवियस डेटा फाइल. एंड जो टेम्प फाइल हमारा था जिसमें हमने सारे रिकॉर्ड एक्सेप्ट द वन विच वी वांट टू डिलीट, वो रिकॉर्ड्स हमने शिफ्ट किए, उसको हमने रीनेम कर दिया यूजिंग student.txt, सेम नेम. ओके, सेम डेटा फाइल नेम. दैट मीन्स अवर डेटा फाइल इज मॉडिफाइड. ओके, it has removed that record. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
हाँ.
रिमूव स्टूडेंट डॉट टीएक्सटी जब हम कर रहे हैं तो वो पीसी में से ही डिलीट होता है ना
Yes.
फाइल. तो
Yes.
मैम जब हम नीचे एफ क्लोज कर रहे हैं तो वो कैसे काम करेगा, क्योंकि तभी तक तो वो रिकॉर्ड
नहीं ना,
एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं
हमने
करता.
उसे उसे फिर से रीनेम कर दिया ना, रिमूव
नहीं मैम,
पहला वाला
हम
कर
दो
दिया
पॉइंटर्स
एंड
यूज कर रहे हैं ना,
हाँ ठीक है ना.
तो वो एरर नहीं देगा क्या कि ऐसी फाइल
नहीं.
ही नहीं रही है अब क्लोज करने के लिए.
Okay, what you want to say is first you have to close and then you can remove and rename.
आई एम आस्किंग मैम that it does not give any error if we
No,
do it in such
logically
way.
यहाँ पे एरर नहीं देगा, लेकिन might be it will not work. Yes, we can try it. वो हमको एरर नहीं देता है फाइल में से. योर सिंटैक्स इज करेक्ट ऑफ ऑल द इंस्ट्रक्शंस, एरर कुछ भी नहीं देगा वो. बट अगर लॉजिक में हमारे एरर है तो it will not work, it will not do all those things.
Okay मैम.
Okay, So only we have to try and check. Okay, any other thing? And sorting का try करो if you can do with the records. It's not mandatory, but last year students have performed well. They have tried the bubble sort on the file and they did it properly. Okay. So complete this program also. एक बार डेटाबेस ऑपरेशन समझ में आ गए तो आप फाइल पे कर सकते हो. एंड दिस इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट, मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट असाइनमेंट. क्योंकि कोई भी अगर प्रोजेक्ट करने वाले हो आप, योर डेटा इज परमानेंट. इट इज नॉट द टेम्पररी डेटाबेस ऑन विच यू आर वर्किंग. Okay, and even if you are using any database like Oracle or SQL etc., फिर भी in the back end these file operations only are done. With any database, all the operations, the queries which you are writing, when you are executing the queries at the back end, these operations only, file operations are performed. Okay, this is very important assignment with the help of database. क्योंकि database के सिवा कुछ भी प्रोग्राम प्रोजेक्ट पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. Okay? So फाइल्स बहुत अच्छे से करो, फाइल के फंक्शंस वगैरह. It is required. It is the basic of your database. जो हमारे असाइनमेंट लिस्ट में नहीं है, वैसे भी मैंने 3-4 प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स आपको दिए हैं, वो भी ट्राई करके देखो आप. टाइप कमांड विदाउट कमांड लाइन आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, विद कमांड लाइन आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, कॉपी कमांड एक्सेट्रा, वो सारे करके देखो. फाइल इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट कंसेप्ट. ठीक है. डाउट है क्या कुछ? 2 लोग लेट ज्वाइन हुए हैं. सी डोंट ज्वाइन लेट. I am waiting. I am joining 5 minutes before and I am waiting for you people. आपको क्या इतना काम होता है? पहला लेक्चर है, टाइम पे ज्वाइन करो ना. Only 2 students were on time. बाकी के सारे लेट कर रहे हो ज्वाइन. अटेंडेंस के लिए कर रहे हो ज्वाइन तो मत करो.